Welcome to this comprehensive breakdown of Wells Fargo's terms of service. Whether you're new to banking or considering switching, this video is your ultimate guide to understanding one of America's biggest banks. Wells Fargo is a well-known financial institution with over 13,000 ATMs and more than 4,000 branch locations across the United States. Its history stretches back to the mid-19th century, but how does it perform today? Let's start with the advantages. Wide accessibility. With a vast network of branches and ATMs, it's convenient for most Americans. Diverse services. Wells Fargo offers checking and savings accounts, loans, credit cards, investment services, and mortgages. Essentially a one-stop shop for financial needs. Digital banking. Their app is user-friendly, providing tools for budgeting, mobile deposits, and Zelle. Transfers. Promotions. New customers can often benefit from bonuses for opening accounts, such as up to $300 for qualifying new checking accounts. Now, let's address the disadvantages. Fees. Wells Fargo services are often tied to monthly fees. Checking accounts, for instance, may cost up to $13 per month unless you meet certain criteria like direct deposits or maintaining minimum balances. Reputation issues. The bank faced scandals in the last decade, including unauthorized account openings. While reforms have been promised, trust remains a concern for some. Interest rates. Savings account rates are typically lower than the national average, a drawback for those looking to grow their funds. Terms of service overview. Wells Fargo's terms are detailed, outlining rules for account usage, transaction limits, and fee structures. Customers must agree to arbitration clauses, meaning disputes often can't go to court. Overdraft fees are $35 per instance, although they provide overdraft protection for linked accounts. Costs. Checking accounts, up to $13 monthly, waivable. Savings accounts, $5 monthly, unless you meet specific criteria. Wire transfers. Domestic wires cost up to $30. International transfers, up to $45. Who is it for? Wells Fargo is a solid option for individuals needing widespread access to physical branches or those consolidating multiple financial needs under one institution. However, if you prioritize high interest rates or fee-free banking, it might not be your best choice. That's the scoop on Wells Fargo. Want more honest reviews of top banks? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with anyone weighing their banking options.